morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Vlogmas Day 5. I can't believe it. I've been doing this for 5 days straight and I have been loving it. I love catching up with you guys and I've just been enjoying vlogging in the morning, which I don't normally do. Just kind of updating you guys throughout the day has been so fun for me and I hope you guys are enjoying the vlogs as well. Today I am working from home. I'm probably gonna stay in this 11:11 sweatshirt all day and I cannot wait. I am so tired. I feel like you can hear it in my voice. I'm so excited to stay home. And I made a nice little Christmas latte this morning with the milk that I'm obsessed with, especially for the holidays. That milk is the best because there's no crap in it and I'm a big fan of that. I just tried on my dress for tonight. If you guys have not caught up with the last 4 vlogs, today we are going to the Netflix premiere party and I have been searching for a dress and I've been ordering things online and I am so excited because my dress came in yesterday and it fits perfectly. I just tried it on and I cannot wait to show you guys my look tonight. I'm so excited for the premiere party. It is for the Netflix show Sirhan. I feel like people are gonna like show out and I love that stuff. Like, show me a good outfit, show me some glam. I am so here for it and I'm so excited. And I will say my dress is like just as glam and I feel like I'm gonna fit right in. But I'm gonna hop online for work right now and then work for the day and then we'll catch up in a little bit. I'm gonna quickly do some of my skincare and do my little eye patches because I do have some calls today, but I think I only have to wear these for like 5 minutes, but I like to wear them for 10, just in case, you know, in case it like, it makes a difference. I don't really know if it does, but if it does, that's great. Just gonna put these on like so. And hopefully they stay on today. Because if you've watched the other vlogs, you guys know they keep sliding on me. And I need a good brand recommendation. These are extra slippery today. There's a lot I want to do today and I really hope I can do it before the premiere. Like, I want to work out. I'm doing my skincare, which is important. And maybe like go for a walk. I just want to like feel really good today and I hope we have time. So we're gonna try and do it all today. We're gonna try. And I haven't worked out since Monday because it's always so challenging for me to work out when I get home from work on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday because I'd rather do it in the morning, but that just means I need to wake up at like 5 a.m. And honestly, that's just like been challenging for me. I used to be able to do that and now my body just needs 8 hours of sleep, just needs it. So waking up before 6 is just a no for me in this season right now. Oh great, now the right one is sliding today. Womp, womp, womp. Okay, well, it's fine. At least they're on, right? Hopefully they do some magic. Because I want to be looking good tonight. Please depuff my eyes. Please work some magic today. It has been such a crazy work week. And I'm so glad to be working from home today. And I need to set up the second bedroom so that I can work in there. And I need to get a desk. Because we have the couch in there. I painted the walls green. And we just need a desk and then that office will be done so I don't have to sit in the kitchen because Hudson, like, if he hears a noise in the hallway he will bark and then I'm on a call and you know how that goes. So it's not ideal. There are like lounges in our building that I could like go and work at, which are pretty cool. I haven't done that yet. I should probably do that, but I just feel like it's more comfortable in my house, you know, like in my apartment. I'm more comfortable here because then I can just like wear this. I can have eye patches on and like no one cares. I'm heading to the gym in my building. I need just like 20 minutes of movement and I just took Hudson out to go for a walk and I got him to like play ball with me so he's got movement and I just like
I am craving it. Like my body is just craving something. So I'm gonna do 12:3:30 for 20 minutes. So like 12:3:20 because I do have a meeting in exactly 30 minutes, and then I'm gonna bring my laptop with me because it's just one of those days. But I also wanna get in like a 10-minute arm workout, maybe after work, and then I can like get ready for the party. So I'm trying to make it all work today, and I feel like today is just flying by. Like that normally happens on like days that you have like events and such. And I actually don't know what time I need to be ready, so I need to figure that out. But I'm gonna go get some movement in and then continue working from home, and honestly like start getting ready very soon. And made it back just in time for my call, and now it is lunchtime. And babe, is my wrap is right here. Thank you, thank you. We have an amazing deli near our building. And ooh, that's what I got for lunch. We got some pop chips, which are some of my favorites. So I'm gonna eat lunch. That little movement, I worked out for literally 20 minutes and then I ran home so I could make it for my meeting, and I feel so much better. Like my body just feels more mobile, and like, I don't know, I'm just feeling so much better than I was 2 hours ago. Guys, I just went for a walk with Hudson, and we were playing like in this little grass area, and I come back to the apartment and I find out that I don't have my phone on me. So I'm like texting my fiance from my laptop, and I'm like, call me, I can't find my phone. He's like, I'm calling, and I'm like, I don't hear a thing. So I go outside, and my doorman was like, go to the grass, in 30 seconds I'll call you. And I'm like running to the grass, and my phone is literally ringing, and this lady picks it up and she's like, I found this phone. I'm like, that's my phone. And she was like, here you go. And like literally, I was like, where is my phone? And it literally was in the lawn in front of my apartment. Like, I guess it just fell out of my jacket, but I was like, where the heck is my phone? I can't find it anywhere. And I was like searching all around in here. I'm like, I feel like I've like lost my mind, but I found my phone, thank God. And it is time to get ready for the event, and it is freezing outside. I really do not want to throw a coat over my dress because it's just way too fabulous, but I might have to do it because I think it's like in the 20s. But I do want to do a Sculpt Society 10-minute arm workout because my dress is a really pretty halter, and I want my arms to be looking extra toned. So I'm gonna do a quick 10-minute workout, hop in the shower, and then we can chat probably like when I'm doing my makeup. And it's time to get ready. I'm so excited. Details. I just did a little slick back pony, which I'm putting some product in my slick back so it kind of all stays together. Put it in my hair too, why not? Just a little product. Okay, this is my look. Oh my gosh, this dress, guys. Let me put this away so I don't spill it all over the floor. That would really suck. These earrings I wore for my engagement party. They are from my grandma. She gave them to me. I have no idea where she got them, but she was such a fabulous woman. Yesterday was her birthday, actually. But my dress, let me see if I can show you guys a little bit better. It's a little maxi. It's so pretty. This is the brand Halston, and I found it at Saks. I'm obsessed. We're gonna go have a good night. I love a holiday party. Like, invite me to your holiday party. I will show up in a fun little outfit. Loves a holiday party. Really trying to like tighten this bad boy. I want it to be sleek all night. And I don't think I'm gonna wear a jacket. I think I'm just gonna wing it. Because literally we're going to the car and then I'm gonna run into the event and then we'll be fine because then we'll be in the event and I don't need a big coat. I'll be fine.
So, this is the outfit. Let's go.
It's so cold. Oh, I'm literally shivering. Whoa, I almost fell. Got my look. Walking to the venue. Freezing cold. I'm tearing up. You guys probably can't even hear me, but I'm tearing up because it's so cold. But my makeup looks good. That's all that matters.